What's up, guys? Fat Devil here. I'm chilling with my buddy Richard. Saying we're chilling, and I'm super excited because we're about to go to this dude's house and pick up an engine, transmission, pretty much the whole deal. I can't wait to show you guys, and I'll see you guys soon, hopefully with everything in the shed.
A few moments later.
All right, yeah. So we just got it. It was a bitch to get in the truck, well, van, and I was gonna be a bitch to get in the shed, but it's chilling, it's back there. Look at that shit, man. So exciting. That's insane. I have a lot of work to do, but right now we're about to go get a fucking coffee. Ain't that right, brother? You need a fucking coffee, bro. Holy shit, it's been a long fucking morning. But yeah, we'll see it hopefully in the shed very soon. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Setting up the dolly. Rusty hammer. Oh, god damn. That's some quick shit right there. Now this is a professional at work. Oh my goodness. Doesn't get any better than that, eh? Look at that. Oh fuck. Yeah. What are you, shit?
It's not my hammer.
Okay, it's not my hammer. Ah, bro. Oh, that's gonna tell me.
What?
It's gonna tell me in the face.
No.
Alright, that's yeah.
What hammer?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro. The hammer doesn't have no teeth on it for me to fucking.
That's some quick shit right there. Oh my goodness. Now this is a professional at work. Doesn't get any better than that, eh? Oh my goodness. That's some quick shit. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Now this is a professional at work.
The hammer doesn't have no teeth on it for me to fucking.
What do you mean, bro?
There
Oh, there it is. Come on. Can I hammer it in straight now? My ears are fucking ringing, eh? Alright, so this is the workspace. Soon to be, this area will be mine. I'll have a welder there, got some pressure over there. But look at that. Jesus. This is a master carpenter right here. If you need a fire chair done, hit him up. Bang.
Really?
Yeah. That'll hold an engine, right?
You're only 300 pounds.
Alright, we're gonna try our best to get that down this hill, from those stairs, from that little fucking gap, which we also have to break apart. But it'll be fine. I'm confident. I'm confident enough that it should work. Yeah.
And the stairs.
Alright.
And the drop.
Oh yeah, this drop right there is gonna be up. The stairs are gonna be
We
fucked.
can use those pavers to help us out, I guess.
Oh yeah?
Once we get it on one paver, we can just like put another paver in front of it, roll it to that paver, stick going, and just keep going back and forth.
Yeah,
with it.
what? Okay, that should work.
So the grass, I don't think we gotta worry. Like,
No?
like,
The wet grass?
That's what I'm saying. The stones you have there, we used to roll it around.
Okay, I see.
It's
Okay,
just,
say
it's
no
just
more.
the stairs and the drop.
Yeah, the stairs and the drop itself is gonna be fogged. Alright, we'll keep you guys updated. So this is what we got. We're gonna walk the engine down these two planks onto the dolly. Think that's good? Yeah, bro. This is it.
This has to be like a fast.
Oh, yo, I can hit it with a time lapse.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Peep this. Got it on the dolly.
Oh, that's fucking. All that weight went right on my toe, dude.
Yeah, I fucked up my toe too.
Grease toe.
Grease toe? Holy shit. Look. We We got it on there. I'm so happy, if you guys can't already tell. This is fucking crazy. We still have to get it in there. As soon as it's on the stand, it's a job well done. I'm so happy. Got a lot of things to do, but we'll see how we're gonna get in the shed. Fuck, man. That's gonna be such a bitch. It's gonna be so hard, bro.
We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. Let's go. We're gonna do it.
Holy fuck. We'll do it.
Dream team.
Yeah, dream team. This is how it's done. Oh fuck. Dropping it in the bay after it's all swapped is gonna be crazy.
Well, by then we'll have like crane and shit.
Hopefully. Oh, we still got the ECU here. Seen a couple dents, but it should work. I mean, I seen it on and working with everything. So.
Gotta pop it open after it's CSI.
Yeah.
If it's been molested.
If it's been molested. He said he had a second one as well. All right, but this is it. We're gonna start rolling her down to the grass hill, and we'll see how that fucking goes.
Let's take all this on.
Nice. So after quite some time, we got it over here. We got these 4 stairs to go down, and then a whole bunch of damp grass. I do not know how we're gonna get down this bitch, but we'll see. We're just gonna push it down. It really is greasy though. All right, I'll see if I could prop this up and I'll see. You guys could see how we get it down this bitch somehow. All right, you guys are about to watch us somehow, some way get it down this fucking, I don't know, man. I don't know how this is gonna work out, but he's confident enough.
I think it'll go. I think it'll take that.
We'll see. We'll see.
Alright, but 50-50 down.
Is that good? So successful B20 board slide happened. It was great. So now we're gonna get a couple of these, and pretty much, have you ever seen that video of that slime dude? Like, yeah, he drives a 350 and there's like 4 boards of like 2x6s, and there's a guy outside just switching them over.
Oh, I've seen something like that.
Yeah, you've seen something like that, no? All right, we'll see how it goes. All right, we got it over here. It's chilling. We still have to get it up into the shed and then build the engine stand and then get it onto the engine stand somehow. That's gonna be the difficult part.
If it happens.
If it even happens, yeah.
We have lots of cinder blocks and shit, so we could use the jack on one side, put it on a block, jack the next side, put it on a block, creep it up until we get it high enough.
Yeah, we can do that for sure.
So that's probably our best bet.
I guess we'll see. Now we have to see how this fucking engine stand works. It looks hella weird, bro.
The trapezoid form or some shit.
That's what it says, 360 trapezoid mounting engine something. Yeah, but we're about to do that, assemble that, and we'll see how that stand works. But so far, so good. As you can see, B20 is finally in the shed. It needs to be put on the stand, but it didn't come with bolts for these. So in order for me to put it on the stand, I'm gonna have to take off the tranny, get the right size bolt with the right thread, and pretty much connect it from there. But up until now, I don't know if I'll be able to do that today. Plus that bitch is so heavy, I doubt I'll be able to lift that. Maybe with some help, but even then. But yeah, she's finally in there. A lot of work to do, a lot of shit to do in the future. But yeah, so many things I want to take off. I have to pressure fucking wash all of this, every single piece. But yeah, there's so many things I want to do. So many things I need to do. Look at that, man. Yeah, probably gonna take off the harness. I don't know if we'll get to taking off the tranny today, but probably tomorrow. This weekend I don't work, so I should be able to get everything off. Yeah, so it looks like I'm gonna have to take everything apart. Respects to my main man, Richard, right here, fam. Wait. There it is. But yeah, he's the one who came through with the van. He helped make this possible, so big shout out to him. You want to plug anything? I can plug it into the description.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Yeah. Say no more. His link will be in the description if you want to follow him. Good guy. Best carpenter I know. One of the few. So, yeah. Finally got this thing down here. Super excited. There's so much to do. And I just can't wait to get it on the stand. As soon as I get it on the stand, take my word for it, I will be going off. I'm going to be taking off everything. It's going to be crazy. As soon as I get it on that stand, I'm going to be comfortable enough to actually start to work on it. So, yeah. I'll probably get around to taking off the tranny very shortly. There'll be a lot more videos coming up because this will be in the Civic one day, and I promise you that. Anyways, it's been a long day. I had to drive down from Toronto and stuff to get back up here to pick up the engine on time. But yeah, I think it was great. I can't wait to go farther with this build and actually do something. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the video, enjoy this update. Hopefully you're as excited as I am because I'm balls to the wall off the shit. I'm super ready for this, and yeah, I can't wait to blow it up maybe. I'm not sure. we'll see how it goes. But yeah, like I said, I hope you guys are excited as I am, because we're about to get this running in no time. I can't wait. It might take a few months, but you know what? As long as it gets in there eventually, I'll be happy. But yeah, thank everyone for the support. It really means a lot. It really made me make this first bold step into going. Oh,
It's the whale pee.
that's jokes. I got a fire intake in mind. Don't worry about that. But yeah, I can't wait to get everything on there and start cleaning this up and really going on to it. So yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.